Hello everybody, it's Roz from Frequent Traveller, and this morning we're heading over to the night market area to go to the dentist. So there's a couple of ways of getting there. One, you can grab a Grab taxi, or you can get a Songtao, which is a red bus. We're opting for the Songtao option, and we'll see you soon. So here we are in the Songtao on our way to the dentist.
Hi everyone.
And this is Chiang Mai's traffic. This is a busy road. It's Hoi Kao Road. And we're going along Chiang Mai's famous moat.
Okay everyone, here we are. We're at the dentist. We've come today just to get our teeth cleaned. It's much cheaper to get it done here than it is in our home country of Australia. So we'll see how we go.
Like a lot of people, you had a really bad experience. If, like a lot of people, you had a really bad experience when you were a child going to the dentist, you'll find that the Thai dentists are very, very gentle. They've got smaller hands for a start, so you haven't got big hands stuck in your mouth. But they are very gentle, and it's a fraction of the cost than it would be in our home country of Australia. So there we go, I've had my teeth cleaned and I've got no cavities, which is a real bonus. So that cost me 33 Australian dollars. So really happy with that price.